Okay, so I'm at location with several drones to do a video, and I've got one of my usual dilemmas, which is that none of them are charged because I'm extremely disorganized and I've got 1 hour of daylight left. Now, this is one of those moments where I want to demonstrate the usefulness of a product I was sent. I'm quite lucky that I'm starting to be sent products by companies, and sometimes they're a bit naff, or I'm not sure what to do with them. But this is one that I've actually been using a lot more than anything else. And it's a power pack. It's not one of the DJI ones. This is the All Powers R600, which is quite compact. It's a 300 watt-hour power pack, and I've been using this all the time, and I wouldn't want to live without it now. And I'm not just saying that, it's just incredibly useful. So what I'm going to be doing for this video is I'm going to charge a flat controller, a flat Air 3S battery, a flat Mavic 3 Pro battery, also a flat DJI Flip battery. I'm going to charge all of these at once to get a speed test done, which is part of one of my videos coming up. See if I can charge all of them in 45 minutes, use that last bit of daylight, and hopefully show how versatile this is. Okay, so the nice thing with this is you've got several power outputs, just like the DJI power packs. You've got 2 USB-Cs with 100 watt outputs each. You've got a couple of USB-As, and then a couple of 3-pin plugs, or whatever sort of domestic plug is relevant to your region. So I'm going to be plugging these in and charging all devices at once, because you've got a 600 watt-hour maximum output, so I should be able to charge all these devices at their maximum rate at the same time. Okay, so all devices connected. I've connected the controller to the USB-A, the Mavic 3 Pro, and the Air 3S batteries, which need the highest power rate, to the USB-Cs, which are 100 watts each, and then the DJI Flips battery to just one of the 3 pins, all charging at the same time. On the display, you can see the total amount of power left in the pack, which is currently 96%. The power output, which is quite useful, so it's 89 watts combined between all devices charging, and then the amount of time you've got left at that charge rate before that power pack is depleted. So I'm going to leave these and hopefully get that video done before it gets dark. Another really handy feature about this power pack that I like, which is also featured on some of the others, I'm not sure about the DJI one, but some of them have it, others don't, but I love it, is the fact that you can charge your mobile phone wirelessly on top as well, which is really cool. While that's charging, just a quick question that you might ask is, why would I buy one of these 300 watt-hour batteries, which is relatively small compared to a DJI one, which is 500 watt-hours or even 1,000 watt-hours? But the reason for me is simply down to the cost, because even now that I can massively appreciate how useful one of these is, I still wouldn't really spend more than £200–300 on one. So the compactness and the versatility of 300 watt-hours, which will charge 4 Mavic 3 Pro batteries or 4 to 5 Air 3S batteries, for £190 is actually incredibly useful. The other thing is the economy of the whole thing, because DJI batteries are quite expensive, and for good reason, because they are good quality, but nevertheless you can spend a lot of money on batteries for all your different drones. So another way you can think about the whole thing is, rather than investing in lots of DJI batteries, you can buy a power pack. It doesn't have to be this one, but buy a power pack, and then you can charge your batteries on the go, or if you need to recharge them, charge them several times over, rather than investing in lots of batteries which are laying around doing nothing. Okay, as you can see, the light's starting to go, and I'm going to have to get cracking on with this, but all of these are now between 80 to 90% fully charged, which is enough to do the video I'm going to be doing, and the power pack's at 57%, which means that if I had to, I could actually do another round of charging of all these devices one more time. It just goes to show how useful even an affordable 300 watt-hour power pack like this can be if you're disorganized like myself and you get yourself into trouble. Anyway, I'm going to create some content, so less talking, more filming. Hope you enjoyed this one. Over and out.